Hello, I'm Arthur. This is my wife, Khanh.
Hi.
This is my son, Darren. I chose my design because EE was actually my client and she was actually the chief designer of the My Design. And I went through her portfolio and I love one of the loft design that she has. Along the way, we have some differences in opinion regarding the ID drawings, the tone and the colors. But nevertheless, EE always managed to convince me on the practicality of design. I like the staircase because it's just 600 mm wide. So it is not something of the conventional type of staircase, which is around 750 mm. So it maximizes the space and it doesn't eat a lot into the living room. And I love my loft because it is window facing, again unconventional, something that most of the residents may not actually get to do.
I love to cook,
And I love to eat.
so I love my kitchen.
What I like about my living space is the TV features wall, which EE have given me with a lot of storage space, and also the shelving, which I can put up a lot of deco stuff. And of course the lightings which give me warmth, examples such as the pendant lights and the spotlights. What I do like about my balcony was the composite decking that EE recommended me. It is easy to maintain and it is kind of affordable compared to the genuine woods. What about my master bedroom? Okay, in fact, it poses quite a fair bit of challenges because the space is very tight. And finally, we decided to go with this TV feature wall. It's actually a mini version of the living room TV features wall, and it has a lot of storage space, and it hides a little bit of secrets, which is I like to play Xbox, and there's an Xbox hidden somewhere inside.
I really love my dressing table because I can put on my makeup every morning.
EE actually convinced me to go for the half-height shoe cabinets so as to make the walkway not feel so congested. The advice I would have for homeowner is to be realistic with what you want and to understand the constraint faced by IDs. Okay, example, the time of renovation, the time needed to fabricate the wardrobe and stuff like that. And also to actually have a proper coordination with the IDs, and not at the last minute change things here and there, which will actually take up a lot of time. If I would have to choose an ID all over again, I would definitely choose the My Design and Chief Designer EE. I love her sensitivity in terms of colors and tone, her ID ideas. Thank you to My Design. Thank you, EE. Love your work, love our home.